Schools don't just run on lesson plans and classrooms. They run on a structure, on systems, and on the calm presence of someone who keeps it all together behind the scenes. That person is the school administrator. It's more than just managing records or answering calls. It's about building trust with teachers, supporting parents, and making sure every student's journey runs smoothly. But before you earn that desk, you have to nail the interview. My name is Faisal Nadeem, and I know that you are probably feeling a bit stressed about your upcoming job interview. You have been searching all over the internet for standout answers, and you are looking for the best way to prepare the important school admin interview questions as well. Well, I'm here to tell you that you have just clicked the right video. If you are serious about getting ready and don't want to waste any more time, just give me your 5 precious minutes. I guarantee you this video not only records you the important topics but also cover the most common and important interview questions that truly matters. Before we dive into each question, I will explain what the interviewer expects from your answer so you can respond the right way based on your own experience. Many candidates make the mistake of over explaining, which often makes it clear they are not fully prepared. I have kept my answers to the point, so please avoid irrelevant discussions. The more you talk, interviewer will ask you all sorts of questions, and that is where your mind will get stuck. So keep it to the point. Also, let's talk about the tell me about yourself question. A lot of candidates take this lightly, but it's actually one of the most important question. In fact, 80% of hiring manager judge you based on how you answer this one. So make sure you prepare for this professionally. I have made a separate video both for freshers and experienced candidate on how you can create your tell me about yourself answer by following my 7-step formula. You can create your answer within minutes. The steps are very simple and so easy. I have attached the links in the description of this video. You will also see the thumbnail at the end of this video as well. Let's start our preparation with this question. Tell me about yourself. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to learn about your personality, communication skills, and administrative mindset. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am an organized and responsible individual who enjoys managing tasks, supporting staff, and helping things run smoothly. I am comfortable with paperwork, communication, and problem solving, and I am passionate about maintaining a positive and efficient school environment. Question number 2. Why do you want to work as a school admin? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to understand your motivation for choosing this role. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I enjoy working in an organized environment and supporting education. A school admin role allows me to combine my skills in communication, coordination, and planning while being part of a team that supports students and teachers. Question number 3. What are the key responsibilities of a school administrative officer? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check if you understand the role or not. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, managing student records, handling correspondence, supporting teachers and staff, organizing school events, scheduling meetings, dealing with parents' inquiries, and ensuring the school office runs smoothly. All these are the top most important and key responsibilities of a school administrative officer. Question number 4. How do you prioritize tasks when you have multiple deadlines? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to assess your time management and organizational skills. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I create a to do list, assess which tasks are urgent and important, and handle them accordingly. I stay focused, stay calm under pressure, and adjust my schedule if needed while keeping communication clear. Question number 5. How would you handle a parent who is upset about a school policy? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to test your communication and conflict resolution skills. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I would listen calmly and respectfully, show empathy, and explain the policy clearly. I would try to resolve the concern politely and, if needed, refer it to the appropriate school authority. Question number 6. How do you maintain confidentiality in your role? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that Your hiring manager wants to check your professionalism and understanding of privacy. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I keep all student and staff information secure and only share it with authorized personnel. I avoid discussing sensitive matters in public and always follow school policies on data protection. Question number 7. What computer or software skills do you have for this role? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know if you are technically prepared for admin tasks. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I'm comfortable using Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, data entry systems, email handling, and school management software. I learn new tools quickly and enjoy staying organized digitally. Question number 8. How do you handle pressure during busy school hours or unexpected situations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see how well you stay calm, organized, and effective when things get hectic. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm, focus on one task at a time, and avoid getting overwhelmed. I quickly assess what needs urgent attention, stay flexible, and communicate clearly with the staff or students. If needed, I ask for support to make sure everything runs smoothly. Question number 9. What are your salary expectations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to ensure your expectations align with the school's budget. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I'm open to a fair and reasonable offer based on the role and responsibilities. My main goal is to contribute to a supportive school environment and grow professionally. Question number 10. Do you have any questions for us? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see your interest in the school and the role. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, yes, I would like to know more about the team I would be working with and what kind of training or support is offered to new admin staff. So, there you have it, 10 most important school admin job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a very good day.